In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your location on LinkedIn when searching for a job. As more of our professional lives shift online, keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is vital, particularly if you've recently relocated. Your job search may depend on it. Let's dive in without further ado. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you arrive on the homepage, it's time to log in. You can use your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. Now, for those of you who have bolstered your security with two-factor authentication, which I highly recommend, be ready to verify your identity. LinkedIn will text you a code, and you'll need to input that to proceed. This step is essential for ensuring that only you can access your account. Once you're in, look for your avatar image, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen, and click on it. Clicking your avatar will open a drop-down menu with several options. Here, you'll want to select View Profile to access your personal LinkedIn page. Now, direct your attention to the introduction section of your profile. You should spot a small pencil icon, which is your key to editing. Clicking this icon allows you to access and modify various fields in your profile. As you scroll through, look for the section marked Country Region. This is where we'll concentrate our efforts today. You'll find a drop-down menu here, and your task is to select your updated country or region. If you've recently moved, updating this field is crucial to ensure your location accurately reflects where you currently reside. Depending on the region you select, LinkedIn might request further particulars like your city or district, and even your postal code. By filling in these details, you refine your location with pinpoint accuracy. This is especially useful if you're searching for job opportunities locally. Take a moment to ensure all the information you've entered is as correct as possible. Having an accurate location can significantly enhance your LinkedIn experience by connecting you to the right opportunities. Once you've entered all the necessary information, double-check everything to make sure it's spot on. When you're confident all details are in order, it's time to hit the Save button to confirm and apply these new settings to your profile. Now that your location is up to date, your LinkedIn profile is positioned to appear in more pertinent job searches, potentially opening doors to exciting new possibilities. That's all for today. Updating your location is a small but impactful step that can broaden your horizons and help get your profile noticed in all the right places. Happy networking!